Check, check. Cool. So we're in a trade at the moment. Take you over the thesis about what's gone on. Annoyingly, got in earlier. Post news, so I waited. Check. That's good. It's an improvement from yesterday and last week when I was not waiting for news. I've now waited for news. Check. The downside to that is I got a bit too eager. Didn't quite wait for my entry. Waited for a retrace. Don't get me wrong, but just got in a bit earlier than I would have liked to. Then got greedy. Didn't quite set my stop where I wanted to. Lost way more on my account. Just because I trust in the template of what I'm looking for. But again, price can always do whatever it wants to do. So just maintain risk. My job is to be a risk manager. I am or I aren't. If then, right? If I manage my risk, then I am profitable. If I don't manage my risk, I am unprofitable. If then, it's as simple as that. There's no conflating it, confusing it, fucking it up. It's literally that. Just don't be a cunt when you're trading. Right, that said, this is what I was looking for, and this is what was on the agenda. Let's just go to yesterday. Front side up, we said deals of BTC on the 11th. Full moon yesterday, by the way, strawberry moon, for those that saw it. And also, what was it? Lunar solstice. So, rises in the most northern part and sets in the most southern part possible. Alright, so what is it that I saw which wanted me to step in for a signal and a template? Well, as you know, we'll start high time frame very quickly. High time frame we have come up. This is H12. This is all time highs. We came up, took out all times highs, shift, so lower low on the inside after taking out a significant high. Then you just go to where the last area of big support was before the leg up, and then just your range. That's where big people pause. That's where banks and smart money are going to be shorting from, longing from, building some swing positions, whatever, right? Then we can kind of combine that with our template. So I know I've come from here, discount to premium, right? It's all relative, so discount to premium. And what got us there was the day freeze of longs. So broke out of the previous week, closed green. That's one. That's two. And then three. So 1, 2, 3, and then coiling with consolidation, lower lows on the inside, higher day gave us the reversal play. However, now that that's done, that template's finished. Looking at the next template, so looking at yesterday, which was Wednesday, middle of the week, consolidation day, inside day of Tuesday, right? Inside day. So day 1, day 2 signal we have here now. That's the inside day of Tuesday on a Thursday. I'm looking for the reversal on the inside day. So we've dumped down into value, right? Into value. Now I'm looking for reversal plays to come take out some of these higher time frame players. So we've got someone here, some people up here, which is going to be great. Go down to the M3. News came. Pop, 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 pop. That's the news candle. I got in here, was trying to get in more like here, but I got in here. This would have been the ideal thing if I just played by base. So I still need to kind of perfect my entry. Template, I know what I'm looking for, but entry wise, I need to be a bit better with that. Okay, cool. So got taken out. Then I was like, fine, haven't got my usual shift structure, but what we can do is if we haven't got shift yet, and we've just got extreme a day, look at our proxy, USDT, just the inverse of what's going on with BTC. But yeah, come to extreme a day, we've already had the shift. So on this, I was comfortable because this was just playing back to mitigate this area here. So when that happened, I was comfortable playing BTC right down here without my usual entry criteria because I had it on the inverse pair. So now we've done that. We are in, looking to pull back. Let's have a quick look at USDT. Just talking about strong. Can pull back to here, pull back to like here. And it will be sayonara from there. We've got the 45 coming up now. So we should start seeing more expansion. BTC, or have we got here? Can we see? strong close, strong close. And I don't know what the deal is there, but yeah, not bad. Let's see if we can get. Okay, cool. So then we'll see you come back and see what's going on. Um, price wise, we are looking at up here to come take some of these people out the market. Realistically, could we get this? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Let's see what sort of inside day plays. Inside. Yes, could have. Inside. And that's inside either side of it. Yes, could have. Uh, inside here. No. Okay. So some of it is a yes, some of it is a no. Probably best just sticking to what I need. But there we go. So now let's see. Oh, price wise, yes. You can definitely get this. This is a triple top. That's disgusting. That is actually disgusting. So 10878. I don't know what that is, boy, but that is yeesh. Is this it? This is it here, wasn't it? I don't know where we got to yesterday because I went out. But long story short, this is what happened. Got out at the right time, eh? Perfect tick to tick. So we took that inside day play against the trend, albeit, but it timed out because at timings we were at value. So stuff like that can happen. Bagged the 19R. Ain't that great. And then yeah, there's obviously reasons why we've dumped down, which I'll probably go through. But look, we'll see. This is just me playing around here. Didn't take that. Took this yesterday. From here, took that. Bottom wicked it. Standard procedure. Fixed TP. I could only bottom wick this because let me see now. From 6:30 to 9:30, for example. Look at this price action. So from here to here, we were just going down, down, down. Look at the inverse, right? The dollar denominated. 6:30 to 9:30. Okay, cool. So from here, up, right? But 9:30 comes here. But look what we've done in this time. We've already broken and shifted some structure. So that to me was enough to give me that little shift and entering here, which is where I would normally enter with my pattern or my entry technique. That gave me the bottom wick on BTC and confidence to enter, like I did. And then obviously price just went brazy after that. So let's just see what USDT has done. So we've dumped down, extended the range, and then a green day. Oh no, so this is here. Yeah. Dump down. Green day, entry. So yeah, that makes sense. And then we got a red day. The only thing that would have provided us my entry, so this would have been not on this account, but BNB was the only thing that would have come close to giving us shorts on the day. That would have been pre-news though. I don't know how about trading pre-news. I saw this news came in here. So yeah, that would have been an interesting one, but all in all, not a bad trade. You can see it. You can see it. But, oh my. Oh, they're right here. There we go. I think that was day before. Should have just held this trade, to be honest. Should have just held the whole thing. But anyway, stopped out, hit it, and then hit it again, and then full exit here. So yeah, not a bad little shout.